If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a PDF from a file opened in the Excel, PowerPoint, or Word from Microsoft 365 desktop apps, save the file to your Adobe Acrobat Cloud Storage and create a sharing link for it, and then use Outlook for Microsoft 365 to share the link to the PDF file within an automatically generated email. Click the Create PDF and Share via Outlook button in the Create and Share button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon in Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. If using Excel, this launches the PDF Maker dialog box where you can choose the content of the worksheet to convert to PDF and then click the Convert to PDF button. Then, for all applications, the PDF file is immediately saved to your Adobe Acrobat Cloud Storage and a sharing link for the file is automatically created. Acrobat then launches the Outlook for Microsoft 365 desktop app, creates a new email, adds a default subject line to the email, and adds some default body text and a file sharing link to the PDF file to the email. Enter the email address of the recipient into the To field of the email, and optionally, edit the subject line or email body text. Do not edit the sharing link. Finally, click the Send button in the email to send it to the designated recipient. They can then click the link in the email to view the PDF and do not need to download Acrobat or sign up to access the file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.